Computer para sa baguhan. Computer for beginners. Ang computer ay isang elektronikong kagamitan sa bahay, paaralan at opisina na ginagamit panggawa ng sulat, dokumento, imahe, pagtutuos at marami pang iba. Gamit ito sa pag-aaral at maraming kabuhayan at trabaho. A computer is an electronic device found in homes, schools, and offices used for creating letters, documents, images, computations, and many more. These are used in studying and many livelihoods and jobs. Sa panahon ngayon, oras na at tama lang na matutong gumamit ng computer. At dahil sa ngayon ang karamihan ng computer ay tumatakbo gamit ang Ingles, matututo na rin kayo ng kaunti pang Ingles. During these times, it's about time and just right for you to learn how to use a computer. Currently, most computers run using English. You will also learn a bit more English. Dalawa ang pangkalahatang bahagi ng sistema ng computer. Digital o software ang mga hindi nahahawakan at pisikal o hardware ang nahahawakan. There are two overall components of a computer system: digital or software that you cannot touch, and physical or hardware that you can touch. Mga pisikal na bahagi ng computer. Physical parts of a computer. Monitor. Ito ang nagpapakita sa inyo ng lahat ng ginagawa ninyo sa computer. Mukha siyang TV. Monitor, this is where you will see everything you are doing on the computer. It looks like a TV screen. Teklado, tiklado o palapindutan. Dito kayo pipindot ng mga titik o letra, bilang o numero at ibang mga pipindutin para utusan ang computer ng gagawin. Halimbawa, pagpindot ng shutdown ay sasara na ang computer. Keyboard. This is where you will press letters, numbers, and other keys to tell the computer what to do. For example, when you press or click shut down, the computer will turn off. Mouse. Ito ay ang bahagi na mukhang daga, galing sa Ingles na mouse. Ito ay tinatanganan sa iyong kamay at pinapadula sa mesa para utusan, gabayan at pakilusin ang cursor o pointer sa monitor. Ito ang pang-click. Mouse. This is the part that looks like a mouse, which is why it's called a mouse. This is held in your hand and glided across the table to order, guide, and move the cursor or pointer you see on the screen. This is what's used to click. Central Processing Unit. Ito ay ang mukhang kahon na utak ng computer. Makikitang dito nakakabit ng kable ang ibang bahagi ng sistema tulad ng monitor, teklado, mouse at minsan speakers at printer. Central Processing Unit. This is the box-like brain of the computer. One can see that the other parts are connected by cable, like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and sometimes speakers and a printer. Para magamit ang isang computer, kailangan itong apat na bahaging ito: monitor, teklado, CPU, at mouse. Pag kulang ng isa, halos palagi hindi magagamit ang computer. To be able to use a computer, These four parts are needed: monitor, keyboard, CPU, and mouse. When one is missing, almost always the computer is not usable. Para sumindi ang computer, pindutin ang pindutan ng kuryente o power button. Makikita ito kadalasan sa harap ng CPU. Hintayin magsindi ang monitor. To turn on the computer, press the power button, often found at the front of the CPU. Then wait for the monitor to power up also. Ang proseso ng pagsindi ng computer mula pindot na nagpapakita ng nagbabago-bagong imahe sa monitor hanggang lumabas ang desktop na hindi na nagbabago ay tinatawag na boot up. The process of turning on the computer from pressing the power button that shows changing images on the monitor until the display of the desktop that doesn't change anymore is called boot up. Pagtapos na ang boot up, pwede na gumamit simula sa pagpili ng software o app. Makikita ang ilang app o software sa desktop o kaya pag pinindot ang start button kadalasan sa gawing ibaba kaliwa ng screen. When boot up is done, one can start using it by choosing a software or app. Some can be seen on the desktop and all apps can be seen by pressing the start button, often seen at the lower left corner of the screen. Gamit ang mouse, habang nakatingin sa monitor, pakilusin ang pointer sa pamamagitan ng pagpapadulas ng mouse tungo sa direksyon ng nais pindutin. Using the mouse while looking at the monitor screen, move the cursor by sliding the mouse towards the button you will press or click. Bukod sa pagpapadulas ng mouse, meron din itong kaliwang button para sa hintuturo. Ang isang pindot nito ay tinatawag na click. Ang dalawang magkasunod na pindot ay double click. Meron din sa kanan na pagpindot, ang tawag ay right click. Aside from moving and gliding the mouse, it also has a left button for use of the index or pointer finger. One quick press is called a click. Two quick presses is called a double click. There is also a right button. A quick press of the right button is called a right click. Yan ang mga pisikal na bahagi ng computer at paano magsindi. Tutuloy na tayo sa ilang software at paano gumamit. These are the physical parts of a computer and how to turn one on. We will move on to a couple of software and how to use them. Ang rekomendasyon ay unang matutunan ang paggamit ng browser para makapanood ng video katulad ng sa YouTube para makapagpatuloy ng panonood at pag-aaral sa computer mismo imbis sa cellphone. It is recommended to first learn how to use a browser and to view video sites like YouTube so you can continue watching and learning on a computer instead of your cell phone. Para sa kasanayan ng kaalaman, panuuring muli ang video na ito. To get used to the information, watch this video again. Kung gustong matuto gumamit ng browser at manood ng video sa YouTube gamit ang computer, panuurin ang video na yon. If you want to learn how to use a browser and watch a YouTube video on a computer, watch that video. Kung gustong matutong gumamit ng software na panggawa ng sulat, liham o dokumentong teksto, mayroon din yung video. If you want to learn how to use software for creating a letter or text document, there is also a video for that you can watch. Hanggang sa susunod, tandaan, marami pang bagay-bagay na pwedeng matutunan. Until next time, always remember, there's always stuff to learn. Makiki-like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe